So you've done all this research on why it's so important to register your own trademark, but you're not really sure what the difference is between one that's registered and one that's not registered. So today I'm going to clear that up for you, and by the end of the video, you'll know the difference. Hey everybody, my name is Michelle Murphy. I'm the owner of Wilson Murphy Law, and I work with small business owners to protect their business through trademark registration and contracts. So before we get started, make sure you like or dislike, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So difference number one is the symbol that you use when a trademark is registered and when one is not registered. So when your trademark is registered, you can use the symbol that has the R with the circle around it. And if your trademark isn't registered, then you use the TM symbol. If it can be shown that you use the registered trademark symbol to deceive consumers or competitors, then the USPTO can reject your application. So make sure you're using the right symbol. The second difference is the consequences if a competitor or someone else infringes on your trademark. So when you have a registered trademark, you can sue in federal court and receive certain types of damages, aka compensation from the infringer. So the third difference that we're going to talk about today between a registered trademark and one that is not registered is the presumption that you own the trademark. If you registered your trademark, you are presumed to be the owner of it. If you did not register your trademark, then you have to prove that you were the first business using the trademark. So when you sue someone for trademark infringement, first you have to prove that you were using the trademark first, and two, you have to prove that the infringer's use of the trademark caused confusion among consumers. So did that clear things up a little bit? Comment yep or nope below. And after you watch this video, make sure that you grab the 7 legal mistakes cheat sheet below so that you can potentially save thousands in your business by avoiding these legal blunders. If you guys have any questions, of course, you can let me know below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.